We're going to look at some absolute value inequality word problems. So in this example, 800 is that average amount for a 2-bedroom apartment. We're going to use X as the amount that she could actually be spending to find our range. And this 225 is how much it's differing by. So when we set this up, we're going to start with our average. And we know we're possibly differing by 225. So what we're going to subtract is going to be the potential for the lowest amount that she'll spend and the highest amount. So we're going to call that one X. And all of this is going to go on our absolute value. And we don't want this difference to be any more than 225. So this is going to be less than or equal to 225. This difference is no more than 225. So there's our inequality that describes the situation. So now let's solve it. Case 1, 800 minus X is less than or equal to 225. Case 2, negative 800 minus X is less than or equal to 225. Now back to case 1, I'm going to start by subtracting 800 from both sides, which is negative 575. So we have negative X is less than or equal to negative 575. Then if we divide both sides by negative 1, X is greater than or equal to 575. So that means the lowest amount that Amanda could be spending is $575 per month. Now from case 2, I'm going to start by dividing by that negative. So now we have 800 minus X is greater than or equal to negative 225. Then we can figure out by subtracting 800 from both sides, negative X is greater than or equal to negative 1025. And when we divide by negative 1, X is now less than or equal to positive 1025. So that's the most amount that Amanda could be spending per month. So if we write this as an interval, Amanda could be spending anywhere between $575 per month and $1,025 per month. And that's our interval.